How to find saved PC passwords in Windows 11. So if you have saved your password in Credential Manager, here is how you can view it. First of all, click on this search icon and in the search bar, search for Control Panel. Once you have opened up your Control Panel, from here you have to click on this option as Credential Manager. So from all of these menus, you have to search for Credential Manager and click on it. Now once you are here under the Manager Credential, you have to click on Windows Credential. And under Windows Credential, look for the saved credential that you want to view. And there is an option as Show Password. Click on it. And if it requires admin access, you have to give the admin access. So that's how you can view your password if saved in your Credential Manager. But if you have saved some password in your browser, here is how you can check it. Open up your browser in your device. That may be your Chrome or Edge. After you have opened it up, navigate to top right and click on the three dot icon. And here head towards Settings in Privacy, or the Settings option. Under Setting, navigate to your left hand side and click on Autofill and Passwords. Now go to Google Password Manager. Under here, saved password will appear. Find out the saved website and click on the eye icon to view the password. And that's how you can view saved password or saved PC password in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.